you look around, the majority of people, they want to live that lifestyle that is first class. They want to drive those cars, those supercars, those sports cars. They want to travel first class. They want to dine in the best restaurants. They want to give the best to their family. But when it comes to reality, they struggle to get to that point. And out of all the reasons why this is happening to most of us is because of the patterns that we are repeating with our own self day in and day out. You want to get to that first class level, but you think about yourself second class. You underappreciate your own powers. Not only that, you might also end up giving that second class treatment to other people. So what happens? We are practicing second class behavior day in and day out. Our aspirations are first class, but we are practicing second class every single day. You know, the people that surround us is our biggest opportunity, right? Whether that person is our boss, someone in our family, somebody who works for us, irrespective, right? We have to get into the practice of giving first class treatment to every single person. If laws of energy, they work as all science and spirituality believes, then we all are attracting like-minded people in our lives. Whether that's your boss, whether that's your family, your sibling, or whether that's your kids or people who are working in your office, you have attracted that kind of energy because you are that kind of person. Alright? You want to make a change? You want to get to that first class level? This is your opportunity. Treat everyone first class. Every single day, everyone is an opportunity for you to evolve. You know, lift people up. Lift people up. You versus you deep within, right? And once that is in control, what will happen? We will treat ourselves right. We will treat ourselves with respect. We will work on this mind. We will work on this body. And as we get stronger from within, what will happen? You know, we will treat every single person first class. And once we build that habit, I guarantee you one thing. Every moment of your life will be full of consciousness, awareness. And once you get that power, it is beyond first class. All right? Have a